Hello everyone, my name is Yimei Yuan, and this is Basics of Activity-Based Costing. So what is activity-based costing? Activity-based costing assigns manufacturing overhead and indirect cost based on the specific activity required to manufacture the product. Different to a traditional costing that uses direct labor, activity-based costing is often beneficial because it allows for more accurate allocation of costs, especially if a business sells multiple products. So what does that mean? Imagine you have two products being manufactured, cars and bicycles. Cars require certain activities such as engineering, testing, and many machine hours. Because it is ordered in small quantities and complex. Bicycles is comparison is easy to make and require little attention, and no special activities, only machine hours. If this company used traditional costing based on machine hours, it might allocate or separate all of its overhead to products. This will result in little overhead costs allocated to cars in total, because it did not have many machine hours. However, it did need lots of engineering and testing, but the bicycle will be allocated a big amount of overhead because of the machine hours, but it demanded little overhead activity. The result will be that there is an inaccurate allocation of overhead, as we know that it costs more than $100 to produce a car. Then it is fair to allocate $100 of overhead costs to both cars and bicycles. This is where activity-based costing is different from traditional costing. Activity-based costing will overcome this issue by assigning overhead on more than one cost drive, allowing costs to be more fairly recognized. Activity-based costing recognizes that the special engineering and the testing are activities that incur costs. Under ABC, the company will calculate the cost of the resources used in each of these activities. Next, the cost of each of these activities will be assigned only to the products that demanded the activities. In our example, cars will be assigned some of the company costs of special engineering, testing, and machine setup. Bicycle will not be assigned any cost of special engineering or special testing, and it will be assigned only a small amount of machine setup. Then we can see a more proportional overhead for each product. Therefore, activity-based costing set assign manufacturing overhead costs to products in a more logical manner than the traditional cost method, which help business to identify more accurate costs. Thank you for listening.